In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to add customer reviews to your Wix website. One of the first things you'll want to do is open the Wix editor. Navigate to the specific page where you intend to add reviews. To begin the process, locate the Add Elements icon on the left-hand side of your screen. This icon typically looks like a plus sign. Clicking this icon will open a selection of different elements that you can add to your page. From all the possibilities, you'll want to select the option labeled Strip. After clicking on Strip, you'll need to scroll down. What you're looking for are the testimonial presets. Once the testimonial presets are up, it's as simple as choosing one you like. Click and hold it to drag and drop the preset where you would like it to be located on your page. This flexibility allows you to place your customer reviews section in the most appropriate and effective spot on your webpage. Now that you have your testimonial strip in place, it's all about personalizing it to align with your website's design. There are various elements on the strip that you can customize, including text, images, and color schemes. Click on these individual parts to choose the fonts, colors, and content that fit your site's aesthetics and objectives. Once you're thoroughly pleased with how your page looks, it's time to make it official. Ensure that all changes are finalized by clicking on the Publish button. Doing so will save and apply all the alterations you've made. Now let's look at an alternate method, particularly for those who want to add reviews on Wix stores. First, go to the Wix App Market. In the search bar of the market, type in Wix Reviews. Once the app shows up, add it to your site. Adding this app can be a huge benefit as it automatically inserts elements onto your product pages. Elements such as a star rating display and a Leave a Review button. The final step in this method involves customization. Just like in the first method, you have the freedom to tailor the settings of your rating display and review requests to your liking. Adjust these aspects as per your necessity and preference. And there you have it. 2 simple yet effective ways to add customer reviews to your Wix website. Feel confident now in showing off how much your customers love your products or services.